to get ready for an audition. And Green Room is going to help you get your stuff together so you are not wasting time doing the unnecessary and spending that time. Okay? Okay, do this first the next 20 minutes. Love how it sets time limits for you. Just it helps you decide your deliverables, tells you to make a tiny checklist because depending upon your audition, you might need to bring music, and most auditions for music has a specific way that the music must be placed in the folder for the pianist. It says reply with self-tape or in person. Let's say this is an in-person audition and monologue and song. This mode also breaks down what you need to be doing like hour per hour. It helps you ground your process in the next 36 hours. I love this. I already have my monologue and song chosen and cut. So if you could give me next steps for that, and let's wrap this chat up. See, if you were still needing to decide on a song and a monologue, it would probably be really realistic with you and help you pick out some stuff, but also I don't know why you would do that to yourself as an actor, not give yourself time to be comfortable with. See, I love this. Next step, do the 15-minute combo run today and stop after the first 2 clean preps. It wants you prepared, but not over prepared to the point that you are just even more nervous. Okay, so this is the audition prep mode. You can pause the screen at any time so you can